Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Lux meter from Parkside, the model PLXM A1 with a 3 years warranty. For the precise measurement of illuminant strength, highly sensitive sensor with a protective cover, minimum, maximum and hold function for comparing different locations, LCD display with background lighting and battery change indicator, and automatic switch off. The measuring range, it is from 0 to 200,000 lux and batteries included. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out how we can use this product, measuring varieties of items and products. Okay, inside we're gonna find out the manual, of course. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. 3A 1.5 volt batteries. Let's reveal and the display. Light sensor cap, the light sensor this white, on off button, set button, hold backlight button and max minimum button. Large display, Parkside logo, Lux meter. Typical green and black soft area here, definitely feels very well to my hand. And at the back we've got the battery compartment. We need three 3A batteries. Press, it turns on. Press and hold, it turns on the backlight. Press once, it freezing the measurement. Press again, resuming. And of course, we can see the maximum, the minimum measurement, maximum and minimum. Here we can see the temperature, it is 28 Celsius. Using the set button, press once. You can change with a hold the backlight button on the FC. FC, it is the foot candle. And again, pressing, it is the Lux. You choose Lux or FC. Lux, set. You can choose Celsius or Fahrenheit. Celsius, set. And you can choose auto shutdown, off or on. On, set. And that was all the setup. Now let's make some measurements. On my studio right now we can see this is the Lux 224, but if I will turn off my lights, we can see it's dropping on 22.5. And again, okay Google, turn on YouTube lights.
Got it. Turning 2 lights on.
And we can see again it goes 227, 8, more or less. Now let's see on a candle measurement, set, FC, set, okay. We're getting this measurement, 21.6. And again on a Lux, set. On a Lux we've got 232.3.1, keep measuring. Now let's measure my TV. There's my TV, I have one picture, taking the measurement. Hold button, 88.8. And now on a white, taking again the measurement, hold button, 88.3. Of course, it has to do with the brightness of your TV. Now I will put it on maximum. And now on maximum brightness, hold button, 243.2 lux. And now I will take the measurement for candle, hold button, 22.68. Nice. And the same thing I can do and for my monitor, 245.1 lux. And we can see at the temperature 28.7. Now changing a photo, 171.6. Here it is the low, It depends the color. Okay. And darker, it doesn't get any measurement. Now let's measure in the daylight. And it says 2473 by 10 with a 27.9 Celsius. This is not under the sun, it is a cloudy weather outside at the daylight. Nice. Now let's bring my flashlight. Measurement at this time, it is my lights at my studio. Flashlight on. Wow. Directly contact. Low brightness. Middle. High. By 10 it says. And turbo. Oh my god. That is crazy. Now the measurement for the flashlights, definitely it is not the correct way I'm doing it right now. Definitely you don't need to have a direct contact with the sensor. But just to show you guys how it's working. Now I'm just going to measure the beam at the wall at the lowest brightness from the flashlight. It is 215 lux right now. Medium brightness. Measuring again. 405 lux. High brightness. 621 lux. And this is the turbo mode. 2251 lux. Wow. Well guys, definitely without a doubt it is too difficult to take the correct measurements of the light. You need to have a controlled environment without interruption from the sunlight, the daylight, or from any other type of light. It costs only 17 euros, and if you want to buy it just for fun, taking some measurements indoors or outdoors from any light source, it is your choice. Well, just buy it and have fun. It is my first time that I'm using that kind of product. I don't know if I have taken the right measurements, but it is what it is. You have seen on my video what it can do, this product. Now for the final test, I would like to see and the temperature. It says 28.9 Celsius and I have these three units. 27.2, 27.6 and 27. More or less they have the same temperature. You can see it's increasing right now, but the Parkside, it has more about 1.6 Celsius. I don't know if the sensor has any problem or because the sensor, the temperature sensor is working together with a light sensor. That's why we've got these differences between the temperatures. But definitely these three units are very accurate to measure the temperature. Well guys, that was all about. If you want to buy it, well, just buy it, it is your choice. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.